Disclaimer: this item is second-handed, bought from online shopping. Hey guys, it's Muchriz, and today we are going to unbox the MYTV DVB T2 set-top box. First, let's take a look around the box first. It says here that there's YouTube with 1080p HD. Inside the box, we have the power cable, remote control. Looks like the cover is gone, I guess. The DVB T2 box. At the box we have antenna in, antenna out, AV output, HDMI, and the power port. Finally, the HDMI cable, gold-coated 1080p Full HD as advertised. Now for the ports. I will demonstrate how to plug it in. We have HDMI, power cable, and the antenna cable. I forgot to mention that it has a USB port at the side and this weird port. Disclaimer: you need to buy an internal antenna before using it, or it won't work. I will put the official link for the item down in the description. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more amazing content.